Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add videos to your Figma prototypes. If you've ever wanted to make your designs more interactive and dynamic by including actual video clips but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the two main ways to add video to your Figma files and be aware of the requirements you need to make it work. It's a quick but super useful skill, so let's jump straight in. First things first, open up Figma, either in your browser or in the desktop app, and get to the project or frame where you want to include your video. Maybe you're building a sleek app mockup and want to show off an animation, or you just want to create a more compelling presentation. Whatever the case, having a video embedded really helps your designs come to life. Now, let's go through the first method for adding a video. You'll want to select the layer or shape that you'd like to fill with a video. Then in the right-hand panel, look for the section labeled Fill. This is the same place you'd usually change colors or gradients. Next to Fill, you'll see a little plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up the different types of fills you can use. Among the options, you should see one for video. Click on Video, and a prompt will appear for you to upload your video file. But here, where you might hit a snag, right after you try this, Figma shows a notification at the bottom of your screen. You need to be in a professional team in order to add or edit videos. Think of this kind of like trying to open a VIP section at a concert. You need the right pass to get in. If you're on the free plan or working solo, Figma keeps this feature behind that professional account wall. Now let's talk about the second way you might think to try, simply dragging and dropping your video file directly into your Figma canvas. You just take a video from your computer and drop it into your design space, the same way you would with an image or a screenshot. While this feels super intuitive, almost like rearranging items on your desk, the result is essentially the same as before. Figma will let you try, but once again, you'll immediately get a prompt urging you to upgrade to a professional account if you want to properly use videos within your design. It's important to know this so you don't spend too much time troubleshooting or thinking there's a bug. Figma simply keeps video embeds as a paid feature. That's really all there is to it. The process is straightforward, but there is that professional plan requirement. So to recap, you can either add videos by using the Fill panel and selecting Video, or by dragging and dropping your video file directly onto your canvas. But in both cases, you'll need to be part of a professional team in Figma to actually use and edit video layers. If you're just starting out with prototyping or working on a personal project, don't worry if this feels a bit limiting. Figma's free features are still super powerful, and you can always use animated GIFs as a workaround for simple motion. But if video is essential for your designs, upgrading to that professional plan might be worth it. Hope this helps you feel more confident in using Figma's video features. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Figma or other design tools you want to learn. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.